Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be updating you guys about what I think and what happened, or what I did, to these Sundews. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go do that. This is my Instagram right here. And, so let's just get to it. So, first of all, these are the B52 I recently took delivery of, and it seems to be doing amazing. I will turn off lights soon, but first I'm going to explain what happened. So, as you can see, or as you might be able to see, the Sundews have not been producing and don't have dew on them. But I've been giving them the proper light, and it's just hanging on this like rack up here. Sometimes I'll just throw them in some bloodworms, fish food that I have, but it hasn't been producing dew. I've been giving it enough water, with good water and good light. So what could be the cause of their no dew production? So I figured, or I asked a fellow grower what it could be, and they told me that the soil might be rotten, or yeah, something like that. The soil might be rotten, and he said it happened to him as well. So I repotted this, and I put the Sundews for a almost 3-day period. Accidentally, it was supposed to be only 24 hours, but I forgot. So it's been about almost 3 days, and that I've been soaking them in a bowl of water, the roots, so that any like bugs or eggs or whatever could get off if there were any. I didn't see any that I know for sure were bugs, but just in case. And I repotted, made new soil, and so just now I put the Sundews in, and there's a bit of a new placement. As you might be able to see, there's one little one right here, one little Sundew here, and that one came apart from these two right here, so I just put it in down here. And under the light they look awesome, but especially on camera, but I'm gonna turn off the light now so you can see what they actually look like. Okay, since it's a little dark in here, I turned on flash. I know it doesn't look as good, but I'm gonna show you guys. The colors on these things are like incredible. I've never seen colors like this on anything, and I just want to say it looks awesome, and it would look better with dew. Not only would it look better, they will be healthier with dew. So that's how they look like, and they have a couple flower stems here. And most of, or all of them actually, but that one back here, is coming from this main mother, so to say, plant over here. And my goal with this pot is to not have to pot it again until the whole pot is full of these, and I think it'll look really cool. Now with the B52s, this part right here, it looks awesome. Completely awesome. This trap right here is actually very big, as you can see. It's like as big as my finger. Side profile is awesome. And that dead trap right there used to look awesome too. This plant over here hasn't been producing as many, but it's been producing a lot. And the sides of them have been red. And that is because it has gotten a lot of sunlight. And that's why you also see a deep red in them. And I think especially this one looks awesome. And if any of you guys know how to, or how to get live sphagnum moss and keep growing it and propagating it, please tell me. I would really love to know. I haven't really seen these ones back here. Looks like it caught something a while back. And then this one back here as well. Very nice trap. Red as well. And I just love these B52s. I really recommend getting them if you can. I got this one off of Amazon, and it clearly is a B52. Okay guys, this is a couple of weeks, maybe a month later than the video before, like the previous clips. And I just wanted to say, Crazy Carnivorous gave me this beautiful Bohemian Garnet Venus flytrap. It's about as big as a quarter, and it just looks stunning to me. It's my first Venus flytrap I've had that's this small, and I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look like when it's big. As you can see, on the top, there's not like any sphagnum moss. I only put it around the rim, and the sphagnum moss around the rim is the sphagnum moss it came with. So I guess it kind of makes it look nice, and I don't really want to bother with sphagnum moss too much. I want to like wait till I know how to grow it. And then the B52s, obviously, have changed like a ton for the better. And if you scroll back to the previous clips, you'll see how much these improved and how much better these look. This trap alone right here that I'm focusing on is about the size of a quarter itself. It's like literally the size of this whole plant. And like that's just to put into perspective how big these traps are now. And as you can see, they're like really red. And this one, I don't know if you noticed, but in the middle, kind of zoom in there, yeah, that's like a flower. I'm so shaky, wow. And yeah, these traps look amazing. And yeah, I guess that's it. And now moving on to the Sundews. As you can see, they're in a bag right now, and I said to myself, the only solution that can possibly be for why the Sundews aren't producing dew is because they don't have enough humidity. So I decided to change that, and I put this bag over it. It's just I don't know, plastic bag I found somewhere laying around. But the plastic bag did like bend this over, and I guess it's a little too much humidity, so some of them have a little bit of like this moldish on it. But right now it's not severe and it's not doing anything, so I'm just gonna leave it. But with the plant itself, obviously you can see they have dew on them, and this is an amazing shot I have right here. And a new flower stem came up. And now this one too. I don't know if you can really see too much of the dew, but you can tell there is dew on it, and there's quite a lot of it. And that's how you know you have a happy, healthy sundew. You can see dew over here, and I'm going to show you all of them actually as much as I can. I don't know why it's not really picking up on camera how much dew there is, but there is quite a bit. So over here, yeah, I don't know why it's not showing that much dew, but in person you can see there's a lot of dew. Yeah, and you can see there's dew on that one as well. I hope they're still like fertile and stuff. I don't think they are. I don't really care if they are or not. It'd be better if they are, but obviously I can't do anything if they're not, so I'm not gonna get mad about it at all. And I want this pot to be, as I said before, completely covered with these. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, so I guess I'll stop it there. I found out the solution and just needed humidity, and obviously it can be better just other than a plastic bag because it's just bending all of these, but that's for a later video. I'm not going to spoil it yet, but it's coming soon, and we're going to make a house for all of these, and it's going to be indoors. It's not going to be a greenhouse though. I basically just gave you what it is. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're new, and yeah, peace out.